Hey, what's up, Filecoin holders? So it's time to celebrate now. Finally, everybody wants, my friends, the huge jumps of Filecoin, the big pumps of Filecoin. Definitely, everybody invest for a good profit now. So, one thing I want to tell you, my friend, in the start of this video. After that, we predicate this coin, we do a technical analysis, and also I will give you updates now. So this time, my brother, absolutely the Filecoin, one of the fastest cryptocurrency, my friend. This time all crypto market is very, my friend, very badly dumps down. But my brother, Filecoin, one of the unique, my friends, to sometime they will take a very huge jump now. Something if you can see like that jump, you can see here this point, and definitely you can see here this point. So definitely that's mean, my brothers, today the resistance line come here now. So definitely, my friend, if resistance line come here now, so that's mean, my brothers, to sometime they fails down and sometime they moving upward now. So remember this, my friend, because this is very important, my friend, in prediction now. So kindly remember. All right, my brother, so remember this, and absolutely please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for more this type absolutely urgent and very important update and prediction videos now. Let's start the video now, my brother. First of all, if you can see, my brother, the updates. So this time you can see here minus 3.85% they lost now in last 24 hours. And please don't see, my friend, this a negative change occur, because, my brother, if sometime they will fails down, so definitely after a fails they will take a jump now. Simply, if you can see, my brother, like that, you can see here after this fails they will take a jump, after this fails they will take a jump, after this short fails they will take a short jump. So that's mean, my brothers, to they will moving in the same direction. After a jump they remember to definitely they will fails down. So therefore, my friends, don't see the short fails definitely, and this time and today they fails down. So I hope tomorrow they will moving up for now. So please don't see the short fails, because that's all just, my friend, for a short time, and after that they will take a very huge jumps now. So kindly you need to hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my brothers, they will give you a very good profits now, but definitely that's all need your focus now. So kindly the team is doing very hard work. I hope, my brother, they will move upward day by day, minute by minute, but definitely that's all, my friends, need your help now. If you are invest, if you are hold, so they will stable and they will move upward. But otherwise, if you starting selling, so definitely they will fail down, my friend. Remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, please research personally before take any decision. Thanks for watching, Filecoin holder. Please like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.